What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar. And have you ever just been kind of hanging out, trying out new recipes, when one of them just smacks you across the face and you can't help but think to yourself, where the hell has this been all my life? I mean, how is this cocktail not a thing? Well, that's the case with today's cocktail called the SINKER from Dan Scott, the owner of the Whaling Club in Los Angeles, California. Now, here's the crazy part. It's just a riff on the modern classic penicillin, which, to be, frank, have always been kind of, indifferent about. But with a little tweak here and a little tweak there, I've found what I think is my favorite cocktail of the summer so far. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around, because we're gonna boogie down. Let us look at what is in the sauce for our cocktail. The first thing you're gonna need is a half an ounce of a quality ginger syrup, right guys? So, the ginger syrup that you make, the spicier you make your ginger syrup, the more spice you're gonna get in this cocktail. I make mine pretty spicy, so, depending on, again, how you make yours, the spiciness of the cocktail can vary. Anyway, the next thing we're gonna need is a half an ounce of lemon juice, all right? So we're gonna do a half an ounce of some super juice here, okay? And then you're gonna need 1 ounce of pineapple juice, okay? I'm using my favorite bottled stuff from Trader Joe's, but if you got the Dole's, or if you freshly squeeze it, I mean, go for it, right? You don't know freshly squeezed pineapples. All right, and then we're gonna do 2 ounces of a blended Scotch. I'm gonna be using Old Reliable here, Johnny Walker Black. All right, this bottle's lasted me God knows how long. I think I'll be able to pass this off to my grandkids. And then the original recipe calls for 2 dashes of Ango Bitters, which works out perfectly delicious. But I really like adding the Tiki Bitters because it adds a little more of those tropical notes to the cocktail, which I think is just perfect because of the pineapple juice, So I'm gonna do 2 dashes of Tiki Bitters. All right. But again, if you don't got this stuff, you should definitely use Ango Bitters because that's the original recipe, all right? And now we're just gonna go ahead and add some ice to our shaker. And we're gonna shake that for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, folks, I think we shook that bad boy up enough. Let's put this to the side. You're gonna be serving that in a rocks glass, which I've had here chilling like a villain. Okay, I got a big old ice cube in there. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour in our drink. Right. I mean, just off the nose here, it smells so damn delicious, man. Yeah, this is such a banging cocktail, guys. I can't wait to try it again. All right, and then you can garnish that with a pineapple slice or a ginger, a little piece of candied ginger. I'm going to be using a little pineapple frond. There we go, and there we have it, folks. The SINKER cocktail. All right, so let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. Cheers. This thing almost poked my eye out. Otherwise, it was worth it because this is absolutely delicious, guys. Oh my God. I make a pineapple spice shrub. I'll put a link down in the description for you guys to check it out. And so I love the idea of pineapple juice with different kind of spices and stuff like that. I just think it's such a great combination. And this cocktail really fits the bill. It brings all of that together into one really fantastic cocktail. I gotta tell you guys, I love this thing. And the crazy part is, like I said, when it comes to the original penicillin, I think it's okay. It's a good cocktail, but nothing that I maybe had it twice in my life. Not something I'd probably make on my own. This thing here, this is gonna be my cocktail of the summer, guys. I love it, and I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys give it a shot. The spiciness, the tropical flavors, a little bit of smoke from the Scotch. I mean, it is just a flavorful cocktail, but just really bright and vibrant too because of those tropical notes, guys. Excellent. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring. Put that back in there, it looks nice. And when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers. I'm gonna finish this thing, by the way.